about to do some of these fractal. So this is the Ruray lamp. This is one of our special pieces that's designed after a wave called Ruray, which was a legendary wave off the County Down coast. We're today doing a very new version, which is showing these we're calling them the fractal Rurays. This is the effect I'm trying to get on this composite mixture of copper and black composite aluminium. We also have the highly polished aluminiums as well, so you can kind of see underneath there's actually a highly polished finish. These are just completely kind of, the idea is doing a random design. So I'm going to rip off the protective on, and I have my sharpened very narrow chisel. I'm going to turn it at a slight angle to do this. So we're just going to start doing these lines, and I turn it at an angle and just follow through. So you can kind of see I'm completely doing it by eye and without, just by kind of instinct, to make sure I get some nice clean lines. I'm pretty happy with that. Protect it, and I might put a bit of masking tape on it just to preserve it there. Now at this stage we often do the laser engraving on our laser machine, so we actually, when they're flat, we actually do the laser engraving. It just says limited edition number 64,000 our max power, and this is our counterbalance weight. We also have, what you can see from one of the finished ones, is the third ball. So the ball makes a counterbalance to ensure that the Ruray doesn't topple over. So we'll be kind of bolting that on. It's actually gone on to win a huge product design award, and we've had them going all over the world, fortunately. So I'm bending this down. So we kind of go parallel to the desk of the fractal. The counterweight to the underside, like that. Doesn't involve too much. That will sit for a few hours. Good piece. That first. Work it around. Go much bigger.